The new chicken gun tuber is back.
Huh?
So in this new video, I on Atli tell you guys all new update 4.1.0 when chicken gun. Here is the items, mobs, car, and lots of more. Whoa, so let's buy the new items on the store. Finish. We're not finished, so let's start the video already. Let's try the first map. Let's explore the map. I'm sorry for saying this, but I rate it boring. Anyways, let's go to the second map. It's only lonely house in this map. I'm also not enter this house, cause it will be spawn mobs like a uncle restaurant into a house. And what is this? I think that's all I explore that map. I rated it boring too, because the inside of the house is empty. It will be if someone good at building, then he will be decorated the house. Lol. Funny right?
Huh?
Alright blah blah blah, let's go to the third and final map.
Adidas kроссовки.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new.
But guys, I only just want to tell with you, why do this building blocks is 14, while they are nothing? But yes, I know there was some Easter eggs in this maps, but I can't find it. Anyways, let's continue the video. Let's review the mobs. Next mobs. Last mobs. It's a cool mobs and have sounds.
A few moments later.
Let's review the car.
Bruh.
That's car is for girl. Let's go to the second car. It's a bump car. This gives me playing with my friends. Nah, I just kidding.
Whoa.
Whoa. Third car. It's a car. Fourth car. Fifth car is a police car. It's really the same as this car that can transform something, I guess. I think this is a job for police emir.
Amir, you're not good at being a police because you are weak.
Oh okay, it's just a joke. Anyways, let's continue to the video. Now let's go review to the items. This plush is soft and cute, but scary. I rather put these items to decorate my house.
Meanwhile.
Anyways, next items. After several items, they are look boring and meh. Well, I think that 4.0.1 is still better. Let's look up the new emotes. They only have one emotes, but let's see. This is where the fishing emotes. It looks like I'm fishing in style. Oh no, I accidentally catch a shark. This gun. That was he get. On to the store. There are so many accessories. Wow, the hat is cool, the face also nice. There are some Easter eggs I found. Why I'm scared, because the first one is so scary to me. Let me see. Are you seeing? What do I told you? Maybe we will use a helicopter then.
Helicopter, helicopter.
Here's it.
Para.
Here's it. The second secret. But wait guys, why do if it looks like this guy, but he doesn't wear glasses? Alright, on to the next secret. Do you guys know this meme? But this meme is not only on the YouTube internet, it also on Chicken Gun. Okay, so can me show you. Alright, stop it. Laughing about but is not funny because it's disgusting. How about we moved into the next and last secret then? This map secret is the same as the second. Alright, here's the secret. Wait a minute.